Dear learners of learning systems, by the end of the course Instructional Design, Digital Media, New Tools and Technology, I finally find a way how to upload the author tool, and in this video I'm going to show you how it can be done. And I'm using author tool, which is called Articulate Storyline 2. This is the great tool. Actually, it has a lot of opportunities and possibilities for creating e-learning courses. And here you see my storyline file, quiz on learning system. So we click on it and we will open storyline 2. And while storyline 2 is opening, I can tell you that I really enjoyed this tool and I liked it. So now it's opened. I'm having a trial version of it. And I'm opening my file which I have created. And this is actually my project, which consists of 28 slides. And this is a self-paced quiz for learners. I need to go to publish and save this project in the format which is called LMS, Learning Management System. And there should be all the settings as they are here. And basically it should be SCORM 1.2 here. SCORM is the format for sharing the resources, basically, and we click on publish and wait a minute when this is going to be published. And while we are waiting, I need to tell you that later on this should be saved in a zip file and it will be uploaded on Moodle, and it's not gonna take long time. So now it is published and I need to click on zip here and save it as zip files. So now my files are saved as zip. You see them in the folder, and all these folders now can be closed, and I close storyline 2. And now I go back to my folder and have it ready because I will be uploading this file to Moodle. Now I go and launch Firefox and I click on my Moodle Cloud. I get my login and my password and log in my Moodle Cloud. And here I have courses, so I get on learning systems studying course. It's basically empty. I need to turn editing on, so I'm turning my editing on. Let me switch language here into English so that it will be easier for you to watch what I do. And now I'm adding a resource here, and the resource which I need to add is basically called SCORM package. So I click on SCORM package and I click on add, and I give the name to this resource. Now I need to drag basically zip file into this window. So I'm going to go back to my folder and get zip file, and I'm getting zip file dragged there, and I'm just waiting a little bit to have this file uploaded. It's gonna take a while, actually not too long. Yeah, now file is uploaded, and I go down, save and click on return to course. And here in the course you could see quiz on learning systems, and now let me try it. So I click on it, I push mode preview, and I click on enter, and it's gonna take a little bit, and I can hide this. Dear learners of learning systems, it's time to take a quiz on learning systems. Each of you need to surf through the triad of teaching. At first, you need to read the word which describes one of the learning systems, and then determine the learning systems and check yourself using the player buttons. Have a good learning experience. And now I can work on this quiz. I use buttons next and previous, and I click on next, which there reflects your preference, and word analysis, it belongs to cognitive, right? It is blue now. This is cognitive sphere. Next word would be concrete actions. It belongs to behavioral, and I click next. There are concrete actions, and my answer is right. So I click chart values. Chart values belong to cognitive sphere, and so on. So to the end, basically. So this is how to upload the project, which was made in Articulate Storyline 2 back into Moodle system, and I'm really grateful that it can be done, because Articulate authoring tools are allowing a variety of different ways of providing e-learning courses. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please sign up with my channel